Crude oil bounced back beautifully yesterday from the support at 82.4, and we have seen it recovering towards 83.6. Likewise, the net gas is also started moving upwards and now trading at 2.44. Now, what to expect today from oil and gas, how to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is also the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Though the US markets are closed today on account of Independence Day, and hence the movement is going to be a bit sluggish later in the day. So, how to profit today? Let's start. First, we look into oil, followed with gas. And to get the regular notifications, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. And do like, share, and comment, friends. It is always a great motivation and support from you. Look at the hourly charts for oil. It is following this bearish flag formation here. Lower highs are created, and if you look at the current formation, see the movement on the downside is coming with very smaller bearish candles, and thus I can see this as a retracement. Also, there are greater supports available for oil. 82.4 is one such support, and then 82. So this is going to be one important support zone for oil, below which slight bearishness may prevail. And again, as long as 81 levels are not breached, we should not be treating oil as bearish for the day, for the week. And right now you can see it was divergent from the moving average. It has come to take the support here and trying to find a support between the 20 and 50 period moving average, which means selling entries only if you see it is staying below 82.8, but then also with caution. Stochastic oversold, MACD trying to cross over for sell again. The RSI has dropped a bit. On the 2-hour charts, if you look on the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation here. Yes, lower highs and lower lows are getting formed. We have to watch out closely how it behaves at around 82.8, 82.4 zone, below which slight bearishness may prevail. If you look at the formation as well, you will find rise retracement, and now lower high. So it is forming a nice bearish flag, because breaking out beyond 83.6, we are going to look forward to another round of greater bullishness. The stochastic looking downwards, MACD crossing over for sell, RSI dropping as well. On the 3-hour chart, you can find it has found its support here at 20 period moving average, seen a rise, now trying to retrace, trying to trade bearish. If you look at the stochastic, this is also looking down, while the MACD is trading with divergence and also looking downwards. RSI is also trying to suggest slight bearishness. So we have to watch out closely for the couple of candles from here, where it may try to retrace further and move towards the support zone. If it breaks below 82.4, you can say that the bearishness might prevail, else it is still not to be treated bearish. It is still trading in this bullish channel. Yes, currently these are the two highs which I am looking forward to. Any break beyond 83.6 should lead towards 85 levels very soon. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Again, the similar observation. One stronger bullish candle, and now the retracement has begun. It may try to come to take the support from the 20 period at around 82.6. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD is trading with slight divergence in bearishness. RSI has dropped. Coming to now, before we look into daily charts and I share the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, join the signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me over Telegram or email for your queries related to the services. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, which offers a safe-free account with the lowest spreads and no hidden charges. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts here. I've been sharing this. Look at these candles. A stronger base and a flat bottom is created here. With that as support, we have seen oil breaking on the upside, and since then we have seen it trading bullish in this channel here. You can see this, a beautiful bullish channel is formed. Now look at last two candles. What has happened here? These are retracement candles. So now if you see oil breaking beyond 83.6, it is going to be a very good move towards on the upside, where we can in fact expect it to move towards 84.4 and 85 levels as well. Look at the crossover here. The moving averages have crossed over. These are trading with divergence and bullish. And I've shared in my weekly review, in my monthly review, we can remain bullish in crude oil for the month as well, where we can expect higher prices towards 87.5, and in fact $90 levels are also possible. But see, it is a distant observation for now. For the day, if you look at where you should sell, I can recommend you to sell here at 82.8. When you see the higher prices below 82.8, you can take a sell entry, but with extreme caution. 82.6, 82.4, very good support here. And if it breaks below 82.4, then we can look forward to 82 and then 81.7 levels. These are going to remain extremely important support zone here. As long as 81 is not taken, we should not be treating this as bearish for the day. Possibility of a bounce back exists here. Possibility of a recovery exists here. Thus, if you see it is staying beyond 83.2, you can buy, expect it to move towards 83.5, 83.6. And if oil stays beyond 83.6 today, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 84.4, 84.2 zone first target, and then 85 as the next target zone. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural. See, nat gas appeared to have found a bottom here at 2.42, and since then we have seen it staying in range. On the upside 2.48, on the downside 2.42. This is the zone where it is trying to stay, and it is trying to keep its movement within the zone. Any break below 2.42, 2.41 zone should bring more bears, where we can look forward to 2.38 and lower level. And on the upside, you can buy here at 2.45 levels, where we can expect it to move towards 2.4748. And if it breaks beyond 2.48, further bullishness may prevail. See what is happening here. Moving averages are trading with divergence and are staying bearish. Stochastic has come to overbought zone, and the MACD is also showing little retracement. RSI is rising. So on the hourly charts, without any significant movement, still we have seen the indicators trying to, you can say, the indicators have come to comfortable levels without any significant rise here, because with the drop it has come to oversold levels. Now look at the 2 hour chart, similar observation, trying to confine its movement within the zone. A little divergence from the 20 period moving average means 2.45, 2.46 zone first resistance, and then 2.48 should be a very good resistance. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bullish, the RSI is rising, so signs are bullish here on the 2 hour charts as well. On the 3 hour, similar observation can be seen here. Flat bottom trying to bounce back. 20 period moving average sitting at around 2.4648 zone. Greater resistances should be seen here, and once it breaks out beyond the 20 period moving zone is where we can expect that the bulls will try to take over, and then you can look forward to 2.5, and then in fact we can see it moving towards 2.55 levels. See, the moving average is crossing over here, certainly is a sign of bearishness, but too much of divergence calls for it to convert. So let's see if today is the day for it to show the bullish momentum. Stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back. The MACD is also trying to rise here. The RSI is also coming out of the oversold zone, suggesting signs of little bullishness and little strength here. If you look at 4 hours, on the 4 hour chart, see reversal sign, flat bottom, trying to recover, second green candle. Possibly it can move towards 2.46, 2.48 zone. But again, very, very good resistance is here. And beyond this, you can expect it to move towards 2.5, 2.55 zone as well. Stochastic rising, the MACD is crossing over here at the bottom, trying to rise. RSI coming out of the oversold zone, signs of bullishness. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, you can find higher highs, lower lows. The swing here, increasing body size here is also sign of bearishness, and thus we have to be careful here. As long as 2.5 is not taken, the chances of swing exist here in net gas, though a little rise. But today the net gas inventory may bring slight movement here, so you should be cautious till then. And thus right now we can initiate a buying entry at 2.46 levels, but with caution. 2.48, 2.5 levels should be greater resistance. And if net gas stays above 2.52, you can say that the bulls are back. We can look forward to 2.55, and in fact higher levels may be seen here. Stronger recovery will be seen if it breaks beyond 2.5, 2.52 zone. On the downside, a selling entry now I will recommend is at 2.3 levels, where you can expect it to move towards 2. 2.43 levels, and where you can expect it to move towards 2.4. And if it breaks below 2.4, you can expect that the bears will take over towards 2.38, 2.34 levels, the next targets. Right now, looking at the signs here, I can say that you can see the swings here, and thus as long as 2.5 is not taken, we have to be very, very cautious on the upside, and as long as 2.4 is not taken on the downside, we have to be cautious. So this complete zone between 2.4 and 2.5 is going to remain a critical zone for net gas to break past by. Thus you should be trading with caution within this zone. Take your positions at the recommended levels and wait for it to break out either of these levels, or either on the upside or on the downside. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join my free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session, before the inventory data release. Yes, today the US markets are closed, so possibly I will see if I release the second video before the US session. See you again soon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.